If you're going to get money for your business, a corporation is the best entity type you could choose. This is the most highly regarded entity type by lenders and credit issuers. It's what you really want to choose if you want to be taken as seriously as you can be by lenders and credit issuers. Now, there's two types of corporations. There's S Corp, there's C Corp. Actually, there's more than two types, but there's two popular types of corporations, an S Corp and a C Corp. And the idea between the two of them is an S Corp, when you actually have profits or loss, it carries over into your personal tax returns. So this is really good for a newer business starting out. You might start a business, choose an S corporation, the business is rolling, it's making some money, it's losing some money, that carries over onto your personal taxes. But the second main type of corporation, I should say, is a C corporation. And with this one, this is for bigger companies. Usually as your business gets bigger, you're going to want to separate those taxes. You're not going to want the profit or loss of the business to carry over to your personal taxes. Now, the negative about a C corporation is that you're kind of paying taxes twice. This is what a lot of accountants will tell you. The corporation's getting taxed, then it's paying you, and then you're getting taxed as well. With an S corporation, that tax only happens really once because the actual taxes or the profit or loss of the business carries over to you as an individual, and then you're paying taxes on that as an individual. But with the C corporation, you're still paying individual taxes on the money the corporation pays you, but then you're also paying corporate taxes at a corporate level as well. This is why C corporations are typically for businesses as they're more established and a little bit larger, and yes, you easily can switch between these entity types. So a lot of entrepreneurs will get started with an S corporation, and as they start really gaining steam, growing momentum, then they change over to a C corporation.